Woke up with a kiss from the sun, made myself a cup of coffee, bumped into my partner and partnered with a new bump for the week. Was asked why I brought an uninvited guest, which led to a lot of uninvited thoughts. Well, surprises are a part of life. Switched off my laptop, switched on my laptop, video called my bestie, spent time with both my partners. Best way to blow off some steam after all. At the end of the day, I am real and natural, and my skin needs the same too. It doesn't need fixing, it needs embracing. That's when I can be my best, organically, naturally. Juicy chemistry, organic by nature.